How to verify with Rover Discord bot. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for rover.link. Now, in the interface that you would be led to tap on the sign in option you see there on the top right of your screen and further tap on the login with Discord option you see there. You will then be required to read the developer access, so go ahead and give the access and tap on the authorize option you see there. And with this, Discord will be linked to Rover. So now, in order to verify it further, tap on the verification option you see there, and you will then be required to select each item down here to check it off. So go ahead and select all the items one by one, and once selected, tap on the continue button you see there. And with this, you will be required to tap on the login with Roblox option. So tap on that and further enter the login credentials of your Roblox account, and with this, your account will be verified. So this is how you can verify with Rover Discord bot. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.